right, with 3/10 of a mile on the bike, it's I waited as long as I could. You know, 4 whole days, but it's been modified. So I had one time I had an oil fill cap come loose, so now I'm paranoid about it. So I replaced that. I've got a safety wireable magnetic drain plug to put in there as soon as I do the first oil change at 600 miles. I've got the T-Rex Racing skid plate, which you'll notice frame mounted. Frame mounted. Oh, excuse me, Rowan. Thank you for sweeping. Frame mounted. And right here, I was kind of concerned about it using the same bolt as a shifter, but really it might make that whole thing stronger because now this skid plate's kind of triangulating it with all the other mount points so that ear isn't quite so susceptible to damage. But at the same time, if I land really hard on the back of this skid plate, it could bend that up. So that's the only thing I'm not 100% sold on, but the rest of it seems great. You know, the horn is really close to it, but now it's not. So just bend that up out of the way a little bit. That horn mount is very flexible.
There's some back there.
Yeah, there's a little bit of snow. That's okay, Riker. We'll get it all. And then you combine that with the T-Rex Racing radiator guard, which you just take those 3 bolts out and then one up on the top. And then those 2 combined protect the front of this bike really, really well from sticks and rocks and other things. So I'm very happy with that. You see there's a piece on the front here that you can pop off to do oil changes.
Very.
So,
do.
yeah. Kid tested. Daddy approved.
Dad, could you do a shout out to my YouTube channel?
Yeah. Rowan's Wildlife and Riker Dude. You can see them under the channels, other channels page on my channel. So, yes, it's been finally been modified.
I'm 20 subscribers.
Yeah. 4 days and 3/10 of a mile. I lasted as long as I could without changing anything.
I'm surprised you lost that long, Dad. I'm proud of you.
I ordered the factory service manual for this before I even owned the bike.
Oh. You're excited about your big boy toy.
I am.
You like your new big boy toy?
A whole bunch. I like it a lot.
That's good. You like toys?
It's a big boy toy.
No, it's a toy.
Yeah, it is. Ow. Okay, video over. I'm being attacked.